Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to master Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Click on File and then select Open to choose the PDF file you want to read. Start by learning the basic navigation tools. Use the page thumbnails on the left side to move between pages quickly. You can also type a page number in the page box and press Enter to jump directly to that page. Next, use the zoom controls to adjust the page size. Zoom in for detailed reading and zoom out to see more of the document. You can also fit the page to the screen for a better reading experience. One of the most useful features is text search. Press Ctrl+F, enter a word or phrase, and Foxit will instantly find matching text in the PDF. Go to the View tab and explore the page display options. You can switch between single page, continuous, and other viewing modes, depending on how you prefer to read. If a document is scanned sideways, use the Rotate View option to rotate the page without changing the original file. You can also use bookmarks if they are available. Open the Bookmarks panel and click any bookmark to jump directly to a chapter or section. To work more efficiently, remember a few keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+O opens a file, Ctrl+F searches text, Ctrl+S saves changes, and Ctrl+P opens the print window. You can also open multiple PDF files and switch between tabs, making it easier to compare documents. Finally, keep your software updated by checking for updates from the Help menu when available. An updated version usually provides better performance, security, and compatibility. By using these navigation tools, search features, view options, bookmarks, tabs, and keyboard shortcuts, you can become much faster and more productive with Foxit PDF Reader. That's it. You have now learned the essential features to master Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.